Hello everyone, welcome to QS Tag. This video is all about how to become an automation tester. I'm looking forward to learn test automation but don't know where to start, so this video is just for you. Testing is of different types. For example, it is web application testing like this, or a mobile application testing like this, or a backend testing with no UI. So you could follow these simple steps to learn test automation. Step number 1. You need to learn about testing types and testing principles. To learn test automation, first step is to understand testing types and its principles. Step number 2. Learn software development lifecycle or SDLC. SDLC is nothing but how the software is created and shipped and produced to the market or app store. Step number 3. Testing strategies and testing approaches. You need to understand what is testing strategy and what are the testing approaches like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, etc. Step number 4. Testing methodologies. You need to be well aware of what are testing methodologies like waterfall, agile methodology, etc. Step number 5. Test management tool. You need to understand what is test management tool and how it works. For example, Jira, ALM, Zephyr, etc. Step number 6. You need to pick a programming language and learn about it. Understand the basics of a programming language. Advanced knowledge is not required. Step number 7. Software design principles and design patterns. In order to write efficient code, it is essential that you understand the various software design principles and design patterns. Step number 8. Test automation tools and their usage. You need to be aware of various test automation tools available in the market and their applicability. Not all automation tools will be applicable everywhere, so you need to understand which is applicable and where. Step number 9. Learn test automation script creation. You can pick one test automation tool and learn how to create a script. Step number 10. Test automation script execution and debugging. This is very important step. The more good you are in debugging, you will be a better automation tester. Step number 11. Learn version control system. Git is the most popular used version control system and you should have a knowledge of Git for test automation. Step number 12. Learn a CI/CD tool, for example, JENKINS or TEAMCITY. Once you are good with automation script creation, you need to create a cron job or a pipeline to run the scripts automatically. Now, last but not the least, you need to learn AWS basics. Many organizations have moved their infra to AWS. So you need to understand how you can deploy your code on AWS and do the script execution on cloud. So these are the simple steps you could follow to become an automation tester. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more coding videos of hands-on coding, do subscribe to this channel.